Hello students, myself Vishwati Gurji. In the previous class, we have discussed three major parts of the alimentary canal. First is the mouth part, second one is the buccal cavity, third one is your pharynx region. Today we will discuss two main parts of the alimentary canal. Those are, first is the esophagus, second is the stomach region. So first we will discuss the esophagus. प्रथमे मु आपन मानकु कहिबी जे esophagus रो प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपण एटा ओइसोफेगस बोली कहिबे esophagus ओटा आपनकर साइलेंट रहइबो. तो फर्स्ट ए पॉइंट सब बेले मन रखंतु that the pronunciation is not oesophagus, it is esophagus. बुझिबले? So today we will discuss two main parts of the alimentary canal, that are esophagus and the stomach region. So the first point under esophagus is, the esophagus is also known as the food pipe. It is also known as the food pipe. माने कौन? Esophagus is also known as food pipe. Food pipe माने खाद्य नाली. मन रखंतु food pipe रो other name is also known as esophagus. Second point, it is a narrow tube. It is a narrow tube having uniform diameter. Passing through the throat and behind the trachea. It is a narrow tube passing through the throat behind the passing. It is a narrow tube having uniform diameter. Passing through the throat and behind the trachea. बुझिपाले? First point is that it is also known as the food pipe. Second one is, it is a narrow tube. Narrow माने सरू ट्यूब भले यार होची structure having a uniform diameter. माने यार डायमीटर टा पूरा जति कि यार स्ट्रक्चर अछि सेति कंप्लीटली सेम रहइबो. माने एमति नै जे कोठी अलगा रहइबो किबा कोठी सरू रहइबो किबा कोठी मोटा रहइबो, सेटा यूनिफॉर्म थिबो. The diameter of the esophagus is uniform throughout its structure and it passes through the throat. माने गळार ठीक सेंटर रे हमटा पास हे थाए behind the trachea. माने किबा wind pipe. आगरे तो आपनकर wind pipe रुहे, पछरे आपनकर food pipe रुहे. आपनकर मन थिबो मु कहितली, the laryngopharynx region has two opening, anterior glottis and the posterior gullet. Glottis lead to the windpipe or the trachea and the gullet leads to the food pipe. ताहले ट्राकिया ठीक पछरे आपनकर रहला नै आपनकर फूड पाइप टा. तो सही बढ़िया, the esophagus, it is a narrow tube like structure having uniform diameter passing through the throat and behind the trachea. Third point, its length and by which it passes. It passes by piercing the diaphragm to reach into the abdominal cavity, by which it opens into the stomach region. and its length is about 25 centimeter. Next point, it pierces the diaphragm and reaches the abdominal cavity and opens into stomach, and its length is around 25 cm. बुझिपारे तार स्ट्रक्चर केमती था, इट पियर्सेस माने होल करिकना से माने पास करिकि जीवो माने धरन ए स्ट्रक्चर पियर्सिंग करिकना पियर्स करिकि से पास हेची टू द डायफ्राग्राम कोड थे हमरो ठीक लंग्स रो लोअर पोर्शन रे हमरो प्रेजेंट था. सो द इसोफेगस पियर्सेस माने पास करिकना जाए हमरो डायफ्राग्राम को टू रीच टू द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी माने हमरो ए पोर्शन टू द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी बाय व्हिच it opens into the stomach region and its length is around 25 centimeter. तार length केते? Length is around 25 centimeters. Next point, the esophagus helps in transferring the food from the pharynx region up to the stomach region. ताहले हमें सिंपली कहि परिबा it helps in transferring the food into the stomach by peristalsis. Peristalsis माने कोन? It is a movement or it is a rhythmic movement of the contraction and the relaxation of the muscles present in the esophagus region which helps in pushing or making the object move forward. Next hoji, it helps in transfer of food into stomach by peristalsis. बुझिपारले? So the next point is it helps in transfer of the food from the from the pharynx into the stomach region by the peristalsis movement. पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट माने मु कोन कहली? पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट माने धरन तो गोटे ट्यूब अछि, हम जदि गोटे किछि भी गोटे सब्सटेंस पकई दबा त सेटा डायरेक्ट तळे पड़ी जावा कथा, किंतु नाही सेटा पड़िबो नाही. कोन पई? बिकॉज़ इट द रिदमिक कंट्रैक्शन जो पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट हेताय सी ताको धीरे धीरे ताको रिदमिक कंट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन सेही मूवमेंट करिकना फूड ताको सी मूवमेंट करिवारे हेल्प करे. धरनियंत एटा होचे इसोफेगस. ताले फूड जदि एठी एंट्री कला ताले से फर्स्ट रे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट थिबो, फूड एंट्री करा रिलैक्सेशन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ला रिलैक्सेशन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ला रिलैक्सेशन. तो एई भलिया फूड ता पास हेताय फ्रॉम द फेरिंक्स रीजन इनटू द स्टोमक रीजन. बुझि परछंदी? एटा धरन तो फेरिंक्स रीजन अछि आपनकर, एटू फूड धर एंट्री हैला तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स एमती हे किना आपनकर स्टोमक रीजन को आसे. एंड दिस मूवमेंट ऑफ द फूड फ्रॉम द pharynx region up to the stomach is known as peristalsis movement. आउ दिरा पॉइंट डिस्कस करियो हमर इसोफेगस रो. The longitudinal folds that are present in the esophagus helps in keeping the opening of the esophagus closed except swallowing. The longitudinal folds present in esophagus helps in keeping the helps in keeping the opening of the esophagus closed except swallowing. या माने कौन इसोफेगस रो जो स्टार्टिंग पोर्शन अछि सेटा सबुडे क्लोज हेकना थिबे जेतेबेले फूड किबा बोलस जेतेबेले हम चोबई थाउ खाद्यटा को अधा चोबई थाउ ताको कोन को जाय थाए बोलस बोली मु पूर्व क्लास रे कहिछि जेतेबेले बोलस को हमें स्वालो करि थाउ किबा चोबई कि हम ढुकी थाउ सेतेबेले ही से ओपन हो न हले से ओपन हेके रहबनी से क्लोज हेके ही थिबो कहा द्वारा क्लोज हेके थाए due to the presence of longitudinal folds like structure in the esophagus. It helps in closing or keeping the opening of the esophagus closed except swallowing. जेतेबेले हमें ढोकिबा किबा swallow करिबा सेतेबेले ही सेटा ओपन हो नहल तो क्लोज हेकना से थिबो देन जेतेबेले से फूड ता एंट्री कला हमर esophagus को से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्सेशन करिकना पेरिसाल्सिस मूवमेंट द्वारा से स्टोमक रीजन को आस्ते बुझ पाले. Last point, the esophagus is lined with stratified squamous epithelium and it consists of striped and unstriped muscles. Esophagus is lined with stratified squamous epithelium and consists of striped and unstriped muscles. याको हमें striped किंबा unstriped भी कहि परिबे किंबा striped और unstriped भी muscles भी कहि परिबे unstriped muscles. बुझि परले lined माने it is internally lined with stratified squamous epithelium and it consists of various striped and unstriped muscles. Stratified squamous epithelium किंबा हमरो किंबा हमरो striped किंबा unstriped muscle याको हमें डिटेल्स रे पढिबा इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर ते वर्तमान पे आपण एति खाली मन रखंतु इट इज लाइंड और द esophagus is lined with a stratified squamous epithelium and it consists of various striped and unstriped muscles किंबा केतरा बुक रे striped and unstriped muscle भी कहते हैं बुझ पाले. It is lined with squamous epithelium and stratified squamous epithelium and consists of striped and unstriped muscles. केतरा बुक रे striped को striated भी कहते हैं किंबा unstriped को unstriated भी कहते हैं तो हमें कहि एमति भी कहि परिबा it consists of striated and unstriated muscles. बुझ पाले this point. The esophagus is lined with stratified squamous epithelium and it consists of striped and unstriped muscles. Lastly, the function. आपण जानछन्ती मेन फंक्शन कोन esophagus. It helps in transferring the food from the pharynx region into the stomach. बस सती it helps in transfer of food from pharynx into the stomach. Simply gotai point here. It helps, esophagus helps in transfer of the food from the pharynx into the stomach. ताहले आमे भी डिटेल डिस्कस करले esophagus रा में बहुत गुरा पॉइंट डिस्कस करले. It is a narrow tube having uniform diameter and passing through the throat and behind the trachea. Length kete? Its length is around 25 centimeter. It pierces through the diaphragm and reach into the abdominal cavity into the stomach region. There are various longitudinal folds that are present which helps in keeping the opening of the esophagus closed except swallowing. बुझिपारे? Next हमरो esophagus आउ केतरा पॉइंट पर डिस्कस कले. The esophagus is lined with the stratified squamous epitheliums and also it consists of striped and unstriped muscles. बुझिपारे? आउ तार मेन फंक्शन होची it helps in transfer of the food from the pharynx region into the stomach by the movement of peristaltic movement, kimba we can also say by the help of peristalsis. Peristalsis माने कौन? It is the rhythmic contraction or the relaxation of the muscles that are present in the esophagus, which helps in moving the object or the thing into the forward direction, or we can say it helps in pushing the food into the forward direction by the help of peristalsis. Which vale? The last function, it helps in the transfer of food from pharynx into the stomach. So these were all your points about the esophagus. Now we'll discuss the important fifth part of the alimentary canal, that is your stomach region. Now we'll discuss our fifth part of the alimentary canal, that is stomach. First point, it is the widest bag or sac-like structure. It is the widest bag or sac-like structure present below the diaphragm, and it is present towards left side, slightly towards left and below the diaphragm. First point, it is a widest bag or sac-like structure present below the diaphragm and slightly towards the left. Which वाले? The first point, it is the widest bag or sac-like structure present below the diaphragm. कहती diaphragm is a structure that is present below the lungs. तो diaphragm रो ठीक तले रहइबो और widest or bag-like structure यार structure, and it is present little towards the left. आपण माने जदि सुनी थिबे सबोले कोआ जाय खाइला पारे आमे लेफ्ट साइड को अणी के सोइबाटा बेटर. कोन पे? Because stomach is present slightly towards the left side of our body. सेति पई कोआ जाय थाय सबोले आपण आपनकर बाडे कर माडी की सोहिले डाइजेशन टा प्रॉपर हो. So the first point, it is a widest or bag or sac-like structure that is present below the diaphragm and slightly towards the left. Next asiba tar length kete? Its length is around 30 cm and its width is around 15 cm. Its length is around 30 cm having width about 15 cm. Next point, stomach is being divided into four main parts. First one is the cardiac part, second one is the fundus part, third one is the main part or the body part, and fourth part is the pyloric part. Stomach consists of mainly four parts. First one, cardiac part. Second one, the fundus part or the fundus region. Third one, the body part, and the fourth one, the pyloric part. Pyloric part. ताले बुझी पाले स्टोमक रिजन को हमर बेसिकली चारटा पोर्शन रे डिवाइड करा है. फर्स्ट वन इज द कार्डियक पार्ट, सेकंड वन इज द फंडस पार्ट, थर्ड वन इज द बॉडी पार्ट, फोर्थ वन इज योर पाइलोरिक पार्ट. ताले तीनटा पॉइंट बुझिला हमें. फर्स्ट रे इट इज द वाइडेस्ट बैग और सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट बिलो द डायफ्राग्म एंड स्लाइटली टुवर्ड्स आवर लेफ्ट. Its length is around 30 cm, width is around 15 cm. Third point, stomach is basically divided, or it consists of basically four main parts. First one is the cardiac part, second one is your fundus part, third one is your body part, fourth one is your pyloric part. Next point we'll discuss, what is the main function of the stomach. Function we'll discuss later. One point is that it helps in it helps in temporary storage of the food. It helps in temporary storage of food. माने कौन खाद्य को फर्स्ट कौन है खाद्य. फर्स्ट द फूड इज बीइंग chewed in our buccal cavity by the help of teeth, and also then the partially the chewing food or the masticated food is being swallowed by the esophagus into our stomach in the form of bolus. Then in the stomach region it helps in mechanical churning of the food. माने कोन किसी खाद्य को partially digest करिवारे हेल्प करे. बुझ पाले ताले सेते पय आपको कहा जाय it helps in temporary storage of the food by mechanically churning of the food. माने कोन खाद्य को ये partially digestion करिवारे हेल्प करे. नेक्स्ट टाइम डिस्कस करिया गोटे पार्ट को द कार्डियक पार्ट. द कार्डियक पार्ट इज नेम्ड सो बिकॉज इट इज प्रेजेंट नियर द हार्ट. जेहेतु कार्डियक पार्ट हमर हार्ट पाखे प्रेजेंट अछि सेति पई ताको हम कहिथौ कार्डियक पार्ट बोली. कार्डियक पार्ट माने कोन द फर्स्ट और द अपर रीजन ऑफ द हमर स्टोमक पार्ट. Cardiac part is named so because it is present near the heart, or we can also say it is the place where the esophagus opens into the stomach. It is the place where esophagus opens into the stomach. बुझ पाले ताले कार्डियक पार्ट इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोमक It is named so because due to it is present near the heart. And we can also say it is the place where the esophagus opens into the stomach. And that opening is guarded by a sphincter called cardiac sphincter. Into the stomach, एथर मु कंटिन्यू करनोची, which is guarded by cardiac sphincter. Sphincter माने कौन? एटा गोटे पोर्शन जोटा कि से रेगुलेट करे जते बेले से दरकार थिबो सेते बेले ओपन हबो, न तो से बंद हो बुझि पाले, माने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स और रिलैक्सेशन हबो, माने एटा गोटे पैसेज जहा द्वारा भी कोनोसी भी सिक्रेशन आपनकर फ्लो हे परिबो, किंतु एटा बंद हे कि थिबो जते बेले किछि भी फ्लो आसिला सेटा सेते बेले से ओपन हे जिवो, जते बेले पास हे जाय से पुनी बंद हे जिवो. एटा परमानेंट ओपनिंग नुह, से गोटे ओपनिंग को कंट्रोल करछि बाय द मेथड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन. जते बेले किछिटा पोर्शन आसिला, किछिटा सिक्रेशन आसिला, से रिलैक्सेशन हे किना ताको ओपन करनबो, जहा द्वारा कि सिक्रेशन आपनकर फ्लो हे जिवो. जते बेले फ्लो हे सारिबो सेते बेले से पुनी से पोर्शन को से बंद करनबो किबा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन करनबो. So sphincter is generally we can say an opening which can be controlled by contraction or relaxation. ताले बुझि पाले, the cardiac part, it is the place where the esophagus opens into stomach and it is the first part of the stomach and it is guarded by a sphincter called cardiac sphincter. Second part, fundus. Fundus is the second part of the stomach which is present exterior or extended part of the stomach. It is present to the exterior or the extended part of the stomach and it is generally filled with air or gas. Second point, third point, cardiac part सरला, cardiac part सरला. Next देखियो हमें fundus. Fundus is the extended part of stomach which is filled with air or gas. बुझि पाले? Fundus is the extended part of stomach which is filled with air or gas. Third part. Third part is the main part or the body part. The body part is the central or the main part of the stomach which helps in mechanical churning of the food where the food is being partially digested. Body part is the main part of stomach which helps in mechanical churning of the food where the food is being partially digested. बुझि पाले? So the body part is the main part of the stomach where the food is being partially digested, or we can say where the mechanical churning of the food takes place. So the last part is your pyloric part. एटा हला आपनकर कार्डियक पार्ट, नेक्स्ट आसला आपनकर फंडस पार्ट, एटा हला आपनकर बॉडी पार्ट. बुझ पाले? तीनटा पोर्शन. नेक्स्ट हमें कोटा डिस्कस करबा द पाइलोरिक पार्ट. pyloric part. Pyloric part is the distal part of the stomach, माने most posterior part of the stomach, which opens into the duodenum of the small intestine, and it is guarded by pyloric sphincter. Pyloric part is the distal part of stomach which opens into the duodenum of small intestine and is guarded by pyloric sphincter. बुझिपाले? The pyloric part is the distal part of the stomach, माने most posterior part of the stomach, and the pyloric part opens into the duodenum part of the small intestine. Small intestine रो गोटे first portion होची duodenum. It opens in after देखो stomach पर आपन small intestine portion start हो, माने stomach टा कोठी को open हो, small intestine रो anterior portion को open हो किंबा first part को open हो, and the first part is your duodenum. So the distal part of the stomach, that is the pyloric part, opens into the duodenum of the small intestine by the into the small intestine, and it is guarded by the pyloric sphincter. बुझी पाले? Next point. Numerous folds are present in the stomach region, which are known as gastric rugae, which are also known as gastric rugae, which helps in accommodating large amount of food, by which it can increase the surface area and also helps in absorption. Numerous folds present in stomach which are known as gastric rugae, which helps in accommodating large food, or we can say large meals, which increases the surface area and helps in absorption. बुझिपाले? There are numerous folds that are present in the stomach which are known as gastric rugae. एटा मन रखंतु, gastric rugae आपनकर ऑब्जेक्टिव रे आस्पे, known as gastric rugae, which helps in accommodating large meals, by which it helps in increasing the surface area of the stomach, by which it also helps in absorbing more amount of food. मु कहि जेति गोटे स्टोमक रो गोटे एवरेज अमाउंट होची तार एब्जॉर्प्शन करबा कैपेसिटी थाए, त धन्यंत जदि अधिका अमाउंट ऑफ फूड आसी गला ताहेले कोन करि परिबो, सेठी हमर न्यूमरस फोल्ड प्रेजेंट थाए जोटा कि कहै छै गैस्ट्रिक रुगे बोली. से कोन करिवो, इट हेल्प्स इन एकोमोडेटिंग लार्ज फूड, माने अधिका अमाउंट ऑफ फूड आसी गले से ताको एक्सपांशन करिबारे किबा सरफेस एरिया को माने इंक्रीज करिबारे हेल्प करे, जहा द्वारा कि से अधिक रो अधिक एब्जॉर्प्शन करि परिबो. अच्छा, एठी हम गोटे पॉइंट आउट ऐड करि परिबा, एवरेज कैपेसिटी केते स्टोमक रो? द एवरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ स्टोमक इज 1.5 लीटर. the average capacity of stomach is 1.5 liter. बुझिपारे एवरेज कैपेसिटी केते अराउंड 1.5 लीटर किंतु जदि अधिक अमाउंट ऑफ हमर अधिक अमाउंट ऑफ फूड आसे किबा लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फूड हमें इनटेक करन थाउ ताको से बैलेंस करिया पय गैस्ट्रिक यूगे जोडा कि न्यूमरस फोल्ड हिसाब प्रेजेंट अछि से हेल्प करे फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द सरफेस एरिया जादर कि इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग मोर एंड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन. लास्टली रहिला हमर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द स्टमक. Now we'll discuss the last part of the stomach, that is the function of stomach. First point, it helps in temporary storage of the food. It helps in temporary storage of food. माने कौन आमे पढ़ी सारछे it helps in temporary storage of the food. केमिति? As I said earlier, the food is in the form of bolus enters into the esophagus, then it opens into the, or it reaches, the food reaches, or the bolus reaches into the stomach. So this bolus, by the help of mechanically action or churning of the food, it converted into chyme, jadwara ki it is partially digested. So partially digested hele mane kono sabu bela pai to si rahilani stomach re, partially digestion hela pore si kon hobo, it flows into the duodenum region of the small intestine. So we can say that the stomach helps in the temporary storage of the food. It helps in temporary storage of the food. Food ta सब समय पे एठी रहिला, किछि समय पे एठी रहिला जाद्वारा कि food ta partially digested हैला. So we can say it helps, or it helps in temporary storage of the food. Second point, it helps in mechanical churning of the food. It helps in mechanical churning of the food. कही जाने मेकानिकल चर्निंग जेतल बोलस आपनकर एंट्री करबो फूड से ताको डाइजेशन और पार्टली डाइजेशन करिवारे हेल्प करे. कहा द्वारा हेल्प करे? बाय द एक्शन ऑफ अ मेकानिकल एक्शन दैट इज कॉल्ड द मेकानिकल चर्निंग ऑफ द फूड. माने खाद्य को मिसै बारे बाय द हेल्प ऑफ हमर डिफरेंट जूसेस अछि सेटा हम आगु जाय पढिबा. इट हेल्प्स इन मेकानिकल चर्निंग ऑफ द फूड जहा द्वारा कि द फूड इज बीइंग पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड. नेक्स्ट, the third point is it helps in regulating the flow of chyme into the duodenum of the small intestine. It helps in regulating the flow of chyme. Chyme माने partially digested food of chyme into the duodenum of small intestine. बुझिले? चाय माने मु कोन कहली, the partially digested food after the mechanical churning of the food is known as chyme, which then flows into the duodenum part of the small intestine for further digestion. So the third point is it helps in regulating the flow of chyme into the duodenum of the small intestine. केतिक amount of it partially digestion हला और केतिक amount of से flow करिवो into the rest, the digested part, or the we can say the partial digested part which is also known as chyme, से regulate करिवो केते amount of से जीवो into the duodenum region of the small intestine. So we can say it regulate सी control करिवो the flow of chyme into the duodenum region of the small intestine. Last point is duodenum region of the small intestine. Last point is it helps in partially digestion of the food, but basically protein and fat, carbohydrate no. It helps in partial digestion of food. ब्रैकेट रे लिखि दबा proteins and fats. बुझ पाले? Last point, it helps in partial digestion of the food, basically protein and fat, carbohydrate no. बुझ पाले? So these were your 4 functions. पुणी आउथरे मु स्टोमक रीजन कहि दोछि डिटेल टिके. First point आपन मन रहला, stomach is a bag or sac like structure and it is a widest structure which is present in the slightly left side of our body. जहादर कि मु आपन कहली जदि हमें लेफ्ट कड मारी सोइता तो हम डाइजेशन टा ठीक हेता because it is present slightly left side of our body. Then stomach is present below the diaphragm in the abdominal cavity. Next point, the stomach have the average capacity of 1.5 liter. बुझ पाले 1.5 liter. Next point, its length is around 30 cm and its width is around 15 cm. Stomach is divided into basically 4 parts. First part is your cardiac part. It is named so because it is present near the heart region, and it is also the place where the esophagus opens into the stomach region, and it is guarded by cardiac sphincter. Sphincter means it regulates the opening. The next part is the fundus part. It is the extended part of the stomach in which air or gas is present. Third part is the main part or the body part, which helps in mechanical churning of the food, where the food is partially digested and the food is being converted into chyme. Chyme माने कोन? The partially digested food को हमें chyme बोली कहते. Fourth part is the pyloric part. It is the distal part, माने the posterior part of the stomach, which opens into the duodenum part of the small intestine, and it is guarded by a sphincter called pyloric sphincter. Last point, numerous folds are present in case of stomach, in the walls of stomach, which helps in accommodating large amount of food or large amount of meals, by which it helps in increasing the surface area and also it helps in increasing the absorption. Lastly, asla amara function. There are 4 basically main functions are present. First one, it helps in temporary storage of the food. Permanently food it is store honi. It helps in the temporary storage of the food. First point. Second point, it helps in mechanically churning of the food, jadara ki khadya ta partly digested hithay. Third point, it helps in regulating the flow of chyme. Chyme mane kona? Partially digested food. Regulating the flow of chyme into the duodenum part of the small intestine. Fourth one is it helps in partially digestion of the food, jahadwara ki apanଙ୍କର food ta partially digestion hobo, but in the case of protein or fat, carbohydrate ado digestion hobo. बुझिपाले? So these were your 2 main parts of the alimentary canal. One is the esophagus, and now we discuss the stomach. In the next class we'll discuss more parts of the alimentary canal. आपण मानक assignment रहला esophagus और स्टोमक लेखि के ना मो मटेरियल पठि देबे आपन लेखि के ना मते पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप करिवे. So this is all about your today's class. We'll meet in our next class. Thank you.